Hey guys, welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise. I usually throw the glasses, I messed up, but we exercise every day. We have a treat for you today, a treat. Today is squat day, but I don't have the weight vest on. Why? Because I decided to try something a little different. Instead of having the weight here with the weight vest plus the other weight here, I decided to put all the weight up top, and I've got this really cool thing here. This is an angle iron. Now it feels heavy as shit, but it only weighs about 35 pounds. So it's actually less than my normal squat amount, right? But it's gonna look cool and it's gonna give me a little challenge, learning to balance a little better. Plus we're gonna get used to carrying the weight kind of all up top rather than half weight vest and 2/3 weight vest and 2/3 the top. So I don't know, I just thought it'd be something fun, vary our exercise a little bit, and we'll see what happens. We might even see me fail here, so we're gonna see. So we're just gonna see how many we can do. We should, like I said, it should be easier than the weight vest. So we should be able to get, like, I don't know, 20 squats on this. So first, how are we gonna pick it up? Oh, we're gonna pick it up like this. All right. I mean, I did shoulder it to get it over here, so I know I can shoulder it pretty easily. So we'll go like that. Oh, put it on there, nice and flat. So we got a place to grab. I figured it'd be a pretty easy thing to grab. That was the other thing. Doesn't feel that heavy once we get it up here. It did feel heavy when I was hauling it up here. Let's stand so our head's not cut off. Let's get our feet about shoulder width apart. All right, now we don't usually have this much weight on top, but it's gonna be fun to come down. Oh, this is light as hell, dude. This feels so light compared to our normal squats with 60 pounds. 35 pounds is a lot less than 60. Now, to be fair, it's not exactly whatchamacallit, not exactly an unweighted squat. I've noticed I'm being a little sloppy coming up and down. So here's 3. I'm trying to make sure that weight stays balanced as I come up. So I am learning new skills here, right? 4. I'm going to try to watch the camera a little bit, make sure I keep my head tucked. 5. 6. Feels good, guys. 7. Now I said 20. I don't know about 20. 8. I think last time I did 14. 9. Let's back up a little bit. We get a little better camera shot. All right. 10. Let me move my hands a little to the outside here. 11. Definitely feeling it. 12. I think it's naturally harder to do weight when it's on your shoulders, right? 13. We did it, guys. We got to 14. 14. We got to beat what we did yesterday for sure. So let's get an even 15, guys. We don't need to go crazy. Again, guys, you're not trying to get 100% of your max every time, right? That's only for certain special days. So don't let that get you. I forgot to say let's go before I started. I was so excited talking about that thing. So anyway, guys, let's go do it every day. That's really all it comes down to. I'm going to cut this one short. You guys have a good one. Keep it up with your daily commitment. Subscribe or whatever the thing is over there. See you guys next time.